Hey guys, this is Jay again and welcome back to Vlogcetera. And this video is dedicated for a room tour or homestay tour here in Sapa, Vietnam. So guys, this is our room 201. So nandito kami sa second floor of this homestay. And as you enter, ito na yung full view ng room. Yan. By the way, yung bed dito, ganyan siya kalapad. So hindi ko alam kung ilan yung kasya dyan. But simulan natin here, no? Ayan yung bed. And the color motif is mostly green. Meron din ditong lamp. Nakapagkapatay yung other light. Hindi masyadong kita pero paggabi, that's very cozy. And then, on that side, meron ding dipping tub. Nung una akala ko display lang siya or something, pero it actually works. So siguro, especially during cold season, if you want to have some hot bath, you could dip there. And then, this is the exciting part. Ito yung window, and then meron ditong rocking couch. Yan, ang sarap mag-chill dyan while having some coffee. But, the most chill is seeing that view every day. Especially during the morning, tas may dumadaan dyan na train. So this is one of the homestays or hotels na may view ganyan. So kapag ka nagbubook kayo dito, i-request nyo lang na yung room na merong view, seeing that. Kasi ang ganda nun eh. Especially kapag foggy in the morning and then may dadaan na train. And they have this live plants here. Meron din pala tong air conditioning unit. And finally guys, here's their toilet and bath, no. Pretty much a clean one, complete naman siya. No, may shower, may sink, and they're also providing yung mga toiletries, no, yung mga basic like shampoo, hand wash, and yung body bath. So that is it about this room, no, 360. Yan. So again, ang pinakamaganda sa room na to is this view every day. And guess what? We were able to book this room for only 1,000 pesos a night, and that's good for two already. Let's go check the other areas in this homestay. So like in my previous video guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung meron dun sa rooftop of this homestay. So one cool thing about here, you could actually do your laundry. So ayan siya guys. So pwede kayong hindi mag-uwi ng labahin kasi pwede yung laban dyan. Check natin dito sa pinaka-rooftop. Ang saya talagang tumambay dito. Hindi natin naabutan yung train. May dumaan ulit. So pwede din pala ditong mag-grill. Ayan, no? Tapos you could prepare your meals here and then have them eaten here. So maybe for those who are wanting to have night party, pwede here. ito guys yung itsura ng labas ng homestay namin. Yan, the Home Sapa. And then yung way there, ayun yung actually yung papunta ng Viet Trekking, yung may magandang restaurant and coffee shop. Ito yung common area nila guys. So they have here yung for recreation area. And then they have here yung sala set. And in here, meron din silang kitchen. You could actually use this kasi this is for all guests. And for other supplies, dito na kinukuha. Towels, tissue. And meron din common na washroom. In all fairness, itong area na to, yung common area, is always maintained clean. So guys, we are going back to Hanoi nang walang labada kasi we were able to wash it here. Iniwan lang muna namin while we are getting our lunch. Final 360 view ng common area nila here. Yeah. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to end this video about the Home Sapa. And if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe so that you will get updated with more of my videos about Vietnam only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one.
Cracky.